Mobiles.co.uk honest review travelers to watch before use. Most people assume buying a phone online is straightforward, but Mobiles.co.uk offers options specifically designed to suit both local and traveling customers. Mobiles.co.uk is a UK-based mobile retailer providing unlocked phones, SIM-free deals, and international roaming-friendly plans. One standout feature is its range of contract-free options, which is ideal for travelers who don't want long-term commitments or who need a phone for short trips. Most people get this wrong. They assume cheaper online phones compromise quality or warranty. The surprising truth is Mobiles.co.uk sells brand new devices with full manufacturer warranties, and many models are unlocked for worldwide use, making them perfect for international travel. Another advantage is flexibility. You can choose between pay-as-you-go SIMs, prepaid plans, or unlocked devices, and the website makes it easy to compare prices, features, and shipping options. Customer service is responsive, and delivery is generally quick within the UK. However, there are considerations. Shipping internationally may incur additional costs, and support for overseas warranties depends on the manufacturer. Some phones may not support every carrier's network abroad, so checking compatibility is essential. In conclusion, Mobiles.co.uk is a solid choice for travelers and locals who want flexible phone options, unlocked devices, and reliable service. Its combination of variety, convenience, and warranty support makes it worth considering before purchasing a mobile phone online. Subscribe for more honest tech reviews before making your next phone purchase.